Good afternoon, everybody. Today I'm doing a quick drive in my Subaru. I'm testing out the Nameless exhaust. This is a full muffler delete. Just wanted to do a demonstration of what it sounds like inside the cabin. As of right now, I have both windows open in the front. I'm about to start her up and see how it sounds. So right now I have the car running, somewhat of a cold start. There it goes, just quieted down. I'm using my regular voice. I'm not I'm gonna be backing up right now. As you can see, the exhaust is fairly quiet when on the street. Just idling, you barely notice it. This is the main concern with some people. They want an exhaust that's noticeable but not overwhelming, especially for daily driving. I'm going to be doing a downshift into second gear so you can hear it. I'm in second gear already. Sorry about that. I'm going to go up to third. And now I'm going to shift into second so you can hear the revs matching of the exhaust. Close my windows now to eliminate the road noise. Right now the windows are closed. So this is what the interior will sound like with the exhaust. I'm about to open it up a little fast. Downshift to third. That's what we got. That's what the exhaust sounds like under full throttle and a couple of the gears. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.